to another Kingscliff Sales and Rentals video presentation. This time we're having a look at Unit 1 at 6 Seaview Street, Kingscliff. This is a renovated ground floor unit. Large room towards the front. Room for inside the kitchen for there to be a table and chairs, also a lounge. Property's been recently repainted with polished floors throughout. Lovely timber kitchen with timber bench tops. There are 2 other bedrooms, both with built-ins. And there's also a bathroom with separate shower and vanity. There's also a laundry as well at the rear of the building. But the biggest feature here is located right in town, located right in the heart of Kingscliff. You can walk to restaurants, walk to the surf club, walk to the beach, walk to the shopping centre. There it is, circled. Unit 1 at 6 Seaview Street, Kingscliff. If you'd like to view this property, then please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888 for viewing times. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au. And thanks for watching.